Hey guys, it's me, Riley from TechLink, and I'm here somehow. But do I look as good as I could? Let's optimize the picture settings on your LG OLED TV. Grab your remote and select Menu, then All Settings, and finally, Picture. Don't have time for all that? Okay, Speedy. Just hold down the voice control button and say Picture Settings. Your new LG TV settings are set to factory default, which is pretty sweet, you guys. But you can still improve them depending on your environment and personal taste. There are several presets like cinema mode for movies and game mode for low latency gaming, but I usually pick one of the ISF expert modes because they're the most color accurate out of the box. From this same menu, if you scroll down to picture options and find the true motion setting, you can tweak motion smoothing. In my case, I just turn it off because I don't watch a lot of sports ball and I hate the soap opera effect. Oh, you did it. That's better. Bye for now.